Hello and welcome to Callsign Airsoft. Today we have a mystery box by SS Airsoft. Now this I believe is their second mystery box, and this is the US Airsoft mystery box, which if you haven't seen that channel, it's pretty decent. You should definitely go check it out. So this was a $250 mystery box with a lot of great prizes in it. And when I saw it, I was definitely excited because we opened up their first one, the C7 Viper mystery box, and it was good. There was one complaint about the popcorn in it. So much popcorn. So much cleanup. And C7 Viper actually opened up his own mystery box and actually put a clip from our video in there talking about the popcorn, and they said that they would take care of it. Well, this box wasn't taped up very well, and look what is leaking out. Popcorn. It was all in the hallway. It's everywhere. So I guess they heard our complaints and were like, yep, we don't care. But anyway, so this has been sitting around here for a couple days, and I am now just fully excited about opening this. So I'm not gonna keep babbling. I'm gonna open this up and see what we got in here. I think the last time we got the C7 Viper one, we got an MP5. So this is definitely a good sized box. So I'm wondering if we got something bigger than an MP5. Now it doesn't take much cutting here. Most of the boxes already open up. SS Airsoft. If you're going to use UPS or tape, they absolutely destroy these packages. And let's check out what we got. So, as you know, first thing we got, popcorn.
Don't start making a mess with all that popcorn.
So much popcorn. Well, I think I'm gonna have to do the C7 Viper way of dealing with boxes with popcorn and just dump it out.
Don't you even think about dumping that popcorn.
Are we ready?
Are you kidding me? I'm not cleaning that. That's all you.
Well, so let's just get some of this popcorn out of here. All right, so we got a US Airsoft patch. I think this is actually the glow-in-the-dark one. Let's see. Yes, this is the glow-in-the-dark US Airsoft patch. Definitely cool. We got a little thank you letter. And that's awesome. A little drawing from Scott himself. Very, very cool. Says, dude, thank you. I hope you get something great from this box with a drawing. Very, very cool. And then we got another little flag pin. I think we got that in the C7 Viper one. Another little flag here. We also got that in the first one. And oh ho ho. Let's see, any other little patches up. An SS Airsoft patch. And out of the way. So much popcorn everywhere. But we got a G&G. So this is the ARP9. Very exciting. I love this gun. I don't have the ARP9. I have the ARP 556. It's one of my absolute favorite CQB guns. I've had it as an AEG. I've had it as an HPA. Absolutely love that gun. And it looks like this one is the ARP9 Ice. So, open her up. Comes with the usual booklet, the big old poster with everything that is G&G. And they have so many different things. Let's set that aside. A little warranty card. A high cap mag. Looks like the rod is not missing the jamming rod. Might be underneath the bot or remember. And here it is though. Oh, the ARP9 Ice. Definitely a nice little bit of weight to it. I absolutely love G&G. I think they're a great mid-level gun. Now, doesn't lock back, which is absolutely fine. Oh yeah. Mag goes in very easy. Clicks in. Minus the high cap mag part of it. There is no wobble, nothing. Flip up sights that are metal. Love this stock. Such a nice stock. I think the G&G has. Whenever I first got my 5.56, I wasn't a fan of the stock because I would want to have a bit more shouldering, but then I tried it out again and I got used to where it just kind of sits right on the top of the shoulder. So if you're wearing any kind of plate carrier, it doesn't really hinder it because a lot of the plate carriers have the thick straps, and I find that big butt guns tend to get in the way, especially for how I'm built, like a stick. So I find that the smaller stocks are easier for me to kind of just put on the tip. So yeah, I am absolutely pleased with this. So now let's check out the value of this box. All right, so let's talk about this mystery box. Now this is a $289.99 gun. So we'll round up, we'll say $290. The box was $250, so that's $40 of pure win. Great mystery box. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the popcorn. SS Airsoft. After the C7 Viper box, you told C7 that, hey, we'll look into changing the popcorn. You didn't change it. It's annoying. Popcorn everywhere. Especially when I'm working with idiots. Enjoy throwing it everywhere. I ain't cleaning that up. So again, stop with the popcorn. Let us know what you think, folks. Would you like this box? And if you do like this box, go check out SS Airsoft. That's currently still on for sale, which I'm very surprised because US Airsoft is a pretty popular airsoft channel with some great videos and there a lot of really cool content. So go check them out and buy this box and show your support for them. And don't forget to hit that like and subscribe if you want. And to everyone who has, we greatly appreciate it. And to all, maybe we'll see you later.